Good morning, students. Introduction. MD তাজনুর রহমান, Assistant Teacher English, গৌরীগুনা সম্মিলনী হাই স্কুল, কেশবপুর, যশোর। English first paper, class 8. Dear students, look at the video carefully.
আমার নাম শারমিন আক্তার, আমার স্বামীর নাম সাদিউজ্জামান ডাবলু। ইউএস এর মাধ্যমে যশোর মুসলিমের থেকে টেলারিং কাজ শিখে এখন আমি নিজের বাসায় এখন কাজ করছি। ইতিমধ্যে আমি একটা সেলাই মেশিনও পাইছি। আমার বাসায় আরো অনেকে কাজ টাজ করে, আমিও করি। এভাবে আমার ব্যবসাটা হ্যান্ডিক্রাফটসের মাধ্যমেও নিয়ে গেছি। আগের তুলনায় আমি এখন অনেক ভালো আছি। এই কাজের মাধ্যম থেকে আমি এখন প্রতি মাসে 3 থেকে 4,000 টাকা ইনকাম করতে পারি।
Dear students, we have heard the story of a woman. This is Sharmin's story, but our story is on Rona Begum. That means our today's lesson is the story of Rona, unit 8, lesson 3, news. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, we will able to ask and answer question, read and understand text materials, write answers to questions, write short paragraph. Dear students, now we will see some new words. Number 1, sewing. Look at the picture and try to understand the meaning of the word. Meaning: stitching, needlework. She is sewing clothes. Vocational. Look at the picture and then say what's the meaning of the word. Occupational, job related. I have completed a vocational training. Travel. Meaning: worry, suffering. Travel always creates depression. Expand. Meaning: increasing, grow. He expanded his house. Let us introduce with a successful woman. Rona Begum. With 200 and 500 taka began her small business. She also had a sewing machine from her sister. 15 years later, she now owns a small production house of fashion garments. But what does she produce in her fashion garments? She produces traditional items like shirt, pant, Punjabi. He also produces block print, embroidery. Despite serious travel in my personal life, I worked very hard to survive, says Runa Begum. She supported herself by working diagnostic center, boutique center, medical college. At first, I got almost no support from my family. Instead, I faced objections, but I am happy now and busy with my business. The atmosphere at home has also changed. Miss Runa has just started several more commercial projects with partners. She decided to expand business earlier, but she did not get support from any commercial bank. Bank of Financial Institute or in Then she joined the Women Business Forum WBF Select and things started to change. Women Business Forum WBM At present, she is the General Secretary of WBM Select. In the last 15 years, Runa received much appreciation and a number of awards. Along with her awards, she received Jatiyo Jubo Padak in 2012, adapted from Daily Star. Dear students, you have some questions. Number 1. Do you think the story is news? Why? Where is Runa from? How can you be sure of that? Number 3. Which fact in the story can be a clue that Runa was educated? Number 4. What will you mention as the main factor behind Runa's success? Number 5. Why could she not expand business earlier? Number 6. What has Runa started with partners? Number 7. What has happened to the atmosphere at home? Dear students, now you will write the answer in your exercise book and share with the answer to your class teacher. Dear students, now you have a pair work. Make pair with your partner and discuss with your partner and give a suitable headline to Runa's story in section B. Dear students, you have heard the story of Runa. Now you have to write the headline of the story. Try to write the story's name. Number E. Imagine you are a reporter. Interview Miss Runa. Ask her to talk about her struggle and success. Write down and act out the dialogue in pair. Dear students, in this session you have to take interview from the Runa and write the dialogue in your exercise book. Make the dialogue in your imagination. Next. Dear students, you have a homework now. Do you know of any man or woman in your locality who got to a high position from a low position through struggle? Write about her story. Dear students, in this session you have to find out a man or woman in your locality and ask him about his life story and write down to your exercise book. Thank you. Dear students, no more today. See you again the next class. Allah Hafiz.